Damon Wayans Jr, famous-ish, and here to meet my puppet. What's up, little dude? This is weird. I didn't know what to expect, but I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm very happy with this design. Oh, why do you look like he's sucking a little ghost dick? What is it? Close your mouth, young man. I like he has Chucks on. It's pretty LA. That's what's up, that's what's up. And it's cute. Damon Jr.
You want some titty milk, Damon Jr.?
You don't want you lactose. I mean, I would never, if this was in my house, I would be so scared every day. I would check to see if it like moved at all. I would make it sleep outside of my room, like you know what I mean? Not during the night. Damn, they got it right. You need to get circumcised. Somebody circumcise him.